Razors and Sanders, the very first deal we're going to get at CVS is this Medical D. It's $9.99, and we're going to get back $9 in extra care bucks, making this just 99 cents after the rebate. Alright, this is my favorite shampoo, the L'Oreal Elvive. You're going to get 2 of these at $8. And then you're going to use this $3 off coupon. Now, you don't have to have this coupon because there's a digital coupon on the app that you can use that's $3 off. So either or, this one or the app one. So that's going to bring it down to $5. And then when you buy 2 of them, you're going to get $3 back in extra care bucks, which is actually going to be a cost of $2. And so it's $1 per bottle. So again, 2 for $8. I'm going to use the $3 off coupon, brings it down to $5. And then you'll get back $3. So that makes them $2 or $1 each. All right, another great deal on some shampoo. I want to try this Suave Collagen Infusion Thickening Shampoo because I'm trying to get my hair to grow. It would never grow. So you can do this deal just one time. So you're going to pick up 2 of these Suaves at $6. You're going to use this $2 off coupon that just came out last week. Now, there's not a coupon on the app, but you could probably print a coupon like this on the Unilever website. If you go to the Unilever website and you sign up for emails, they'll send you a paper coupon in your email. So that brings it down to $4 after you use that coupon, and then you'll get $2 back in extra care bucks, which brings it down to $2 or $1 for each bottle of shampoo. Alright, awesome money maker on this Colgate Total. We're actually making about 51 cents per tube or $1.02. So you're going to pick up 2 of these Colgates that are $3.99. And when you do that, there's a $4 off coupon on the app that's going to come off. Now, I can have paper coupons, but the only ones I have are 50 cents coupons, so that's not great at all. So we're going to use that $4 off coupon. So it's going to be, if we buy 2 of them at $3.99, that's going to be $7.98. Using that $4 off coupon is going to bring it down to $3.98, and then we'll get back $5 in extra care bucks, making our total after our extra care bucks just a money maker of $1.02. So picking this up. Alright, this is an instant coupon deal. I don't have any coupons for this, so no coupons needed. These are 99 cents on their app or at the red coupon box when you first walk into the store. You'll print off this 25-cent instant coupon, bringing it down to 74 cents for this bottle. But please be careful, because I scanned this item in the app, and it didn't attach to the coupon. So just make sure that it does when you go to the register. Next deal I'm picking up is this Tide Simply Pods. You guys know I pick these up every week for my blessing bags and also take to the food bank. These are $2.94. There's a $1 off coupon in the app, making these just $1.94. Now, I will give you a tip. I try not to ring up these Tides with the red Tides, or even like if I ring up the small bag or the big one, I always ring those things up separate. So I try to not ring multiple things of Tides up, because sometimes the coupons can clash and not work. So $1.94 for this Tide Simply Pods. Hannah.
Hey, Savers.
So we have a small haul today from CVS. Not much, and very small actually. I usually get over $100 worth of stuff, but just wasn't that week. I was not into getting the spend $40, get $10 back. I'm gonna pass on that this week. So everything in this picture was about $35, and I spent about $6. So that's not too bad at all. $6 for that, that's pretty good, because especially this spray here is about $10 anyway. So, all right, guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.